Funny Hindi for restaurants and shopping. Are there vegetarian options? 2.
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
Welcome to the Hungry Wallet adventure. Hey, you are about to survive a restaurant, a bill, and a suspiciously overpriced shop in Hindi. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat after me. Picture this. You walk into a restaurant. You are hungry, polite, and slightly dramatic. First mission, food. If you want meat-free choices, ask.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
If you want vegan options, use the phrase given here.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
Then dinner ends, your stomach is happy, but your wallet begins to sweat. You say,
क्या मुझे बिल मिल सकता है?
or,
मैं भुगतान करना चाहता हूँ, कृपया।
later, you see a scarf with the price of a small spaceship and whisper.
ये बहुत महंगा है।
And if you buy the wrong size because your brain took a tea break, ask.
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
At the restaurant. Let's start with the phrases that save dinner. You do not need perfect grammar right now, just a confident voice. You open the menu, stare bravely, and ask.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
Meaning, are there vegetarian options? You ask again for vegan options using the provided phrase.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
Yes, the phrase overlaps here, so context helps. Mini dialogue. Customer. Are there vegetarian options? Waiter.
हाँ, शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं।
Mini dialogue. Customer. Are there vegan options? Waiter.
हाँ, शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं।
Funny image trick. Imagine a carrot in a tiny tie asking the waiter, very seriously.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
The waiter nods. The carrot feels understood. Bill, please, before I wash dishes. Now the meal is over. Time to sound polite and financially responsible. To ask for the bill, say.
क्या मुझे बिल मिल सकता है?
Could I have the bill? To say you want to pay, say.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहता हूँ, कृपया।
I would like to pay, please. Mini scene. You finish your chai, look wise, and say.
क्या मुझे बिल मिल सकता है?
The waiter brings the bill. Your wallet faints, but politely. Second mini scene. You are ready at the counter and say.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहता हूँ, कृपया।
Memory trick.
बिल,
Sounds like bill and
भुगतान,
means payment. So bill first, payment second, panic never. Well, ideally. Shopping drama. Excellent. You have eaten. Naturally, now you wander into a shop and make things complicated. You see the price tag and say.
ये बहुत महंगा है।
That is too expensive. Imagine holding a shiny jacket. It sparkles. It glows. It may have its own security guard. You look at the tag and declare.
ये बहुत महंगा है।
Then you buy something anyway, because apparently you enjoy plot twists. Back at the hotel, you discover it is the wrong size. So you return and ask.
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
Can I exchange this? Mini dialogue. Customer.
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
Clerk.
हाँ, बिल है तो बदल सकते हैं।
Tiny contrast. Too expensive is.
ये बहुत महंगा है।
Exchange this is.
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
Rapid fire practice. Your turn now. I will cue the English, and you can say the Hindi out loud. Yes, even if your cat judges your accent. Are there vegetarian options?
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
Are there vegan options?
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
I would like to pay, please.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहता हूँ, कृपया।
Could I have the bill?
क्या मुझे बिल मिल सकता है?
That is too expensive.
ये बहुत महंगा है।
Can I exchange this?
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
The tiny survival story. Let's put everything together in one playful story. Just listen once, then replay and shadow it. You sit down at a busy restaurant in India and open the menu like a detective opening a secret file. You ask.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
Then you remember your vegan friend and ask.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं?
The food is great. You finish eating and politely say.
क्या मुझे बिल मिल सकता है?
Then, with full traveler confidence, you add.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहता हूँ, कृपया।
After dinner, you go shopping, spot a dramatic scarf with an even more dramatic price, and say.
ये बहुत महंगा है।
But somehow you still buy a shirt. Back home, you discover it could fit either a toddler or a giraffe, but definitely not you. So back to the shop you go.
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
Congratulations. You have survived dinner, money, and fabric. Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just learned useful Hindi that can save a meal, a budget, and possibly your dignity. Today you practiced.
क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं? क्या शाकाहारी विकल्प हैं? मैं भुगतान करना चाहता हूँ, कृपया। क्या मुझे बिल मिल सकता है? ये बहुत महंगा है।
And.
क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ?
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and soon your Hindi will sound smoother, faster, and much more confident.